Creating engaging e-learning courses for the automotive industry. Brands matter in automotive industry. When learners engage with a course, the familiar fonts, colors, videos, audio cues, music, buttons, and images not only enhance their user experience, but also foster trust and credibility. Design clear and premium content for automotive industry. Design in the context of e-learning transcends aesthetic appeal. It stands as a vital tool in bolstering the clarity of information and fostering an engaging pedagogical process. Add multimedia content in automotive industry. The integration of various formats such as videos, podcasts, interactive diagrams, and animations invites learners to engage with the content from different perspectives, enriching their understanding and retention of the information. Adopt video-based learning for automotive industry. Leveraging the dynamism of videos allows for a rich crafting and animation of content, transforming static information into vibrant, kinetic narratives that hold the power to engage learners deeply. Social and peer-to-peer learning in automotive industry. Professionals in the industry can benefit immensely from engaging in discussions, brainstorming sessions, and collaborative projects, leveraging the collective intelligence and diverse skill sets of a community. Furthermore, peer-to-peer learning can facilitate real-time feedback and constructive criticism. Create activities in automotive industry. Activity-based learning goes a step beyond traditional learning methodologies, encouraging learners to interact actively with the content, thus fostering a deeper understanding and retention of the teachings. Do not hesitate to contact us for any questions.